Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can log in to your Mutual of Omaha mortgage account. So let's go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, and then in the Google search bar search for Mutual of Omaha mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Mutual of Omaha Mortgage. Click on Secure Login to log into your account. Now you can see this login portal where it has username and password. Go ahead and write down your username, write down your password, click login, and then you can log into your Mutual of Omaha Mortgage account. You can click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password if you have problems with the username or the password, and in case you want to create an account, click Register and you can create a Mutual of Omaha Mortgage account for yourself. So this is the way how you can log into your Mutual of Omaha Mortgage account. Write down your username, your password, and click Login. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.